So I went to Japan and turned this egg from the vending machine. Let's see what's inside. Yay! Let's let the cats wear them. Here, let me try it on them. Okay, so this is Cuddles. She doesn't really like it. Kaka. Kaka, Cuddles. Okay, okay. She doesn't like it. Let me take it off. Okay, meow. Okay. Now let's. And this is Cookie. So cute. That's Cookie. So cute, girl. Cute girl, Little Red Riding Hood. Cute girl, Cookie. Okay.